Happy Friday, Cooper kids and Cooper families. It is June 5th, and here was our check-in or check-out of the week for 6th grade. First off, the last day of school is officially June 19th now. There is official word from our superintendent, and the school board has approved it. So that is a week earlier than we planned, which will be nice because I know everyone is ready for a break from our distance learning. Number two, just a reminder, the reverse parade, aka like the drive-through 6th grade celebration pickup, is June 17th from 5:30 to 6:30. Any questions, comments, or if you potentially need a ride lined up, let us know. This week for our education and academics, ELA and social studies, as you can see, 6 have turned in their vocabulary, which was due Tuesday. That is up from last week. 5 has marked their reading of chapter 8 to 11 done. Only one set of questions has been turned in, though, and those were due yesterday. However, 3 letters have been written, which are due today. Mrs. Clyburn has asked that we do a final project, which clearly can't be the same as something we would show an exhibition night, but we're going to try to make it similar. In order to do that project with Miss Decker and myself, you need to have the 11 first chapters of Frightful Mountain read. If you are behind, that is a big old reminder. You really should read at least 2 or 3 this weekend, or listen to them on YouTube, which the links are posted. For science this week, you had the Falcon Cam exploration number 4. It is only 2 questions, so if you are not one of the 10 that turned it in, turn it in. It's pretty easy. Watch some Falcons, skim for those answers, and move on with your day. For math, 4 people have turned in the whole enchilada, meaning the slides and the con. 3 people have called for help this week, and I've gladly helped, and they have full credit so far. Con this week, this group that is currently highlighted, those are the minutes you have spent on con. There were 7 assignments for this week. These are the number of those 7 assignments done. So if you're Austin, Kai, Jalen, Javi, and Michael, you've done all 7. If you do not see your name or your child's name on this list, that means they have not done their con math for the week. Please don't forget today when it's due to click on turn in and those slides, number 4, number 8, number 13, and number 15 are the ones where you do work. They have big arrows, they say do here, etc. So make sure you do those few. Last but not least, Miss Centennial and Miss Walters was in our meeting this morning. They said many of you were very active early on, but they are required to give you a letter grade also. So please, 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 please check in. For example, one of Miss Centennial's is a 30-second game where you name the number of the line that the note is on. Easy breezy, click on the link, click go, and then just you literally reply to her and say, hey, I got 17 in 30 seconds, or I got 20, or I got 2. That will be enough for math music credit for the week. Again, I still have the link here for Mrs. Scott's survey. Many of you have been doing it or have done it, but I do know she's going to start calling home. So if you haven't done it, please just it's probably about 5 minutes to finish. Again, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please stay safe this weekend. You may see some of your teachers like myself out just at the parks or at the Black Lives Matter movements, but that is the deal. Again, have a good weekend. Stay safe, stay cool, and see you Monday for our last full week of instruction, plus a little bit more the next week. Bye.